How to schedule Instagram collabs and tag co-creators. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily schedule your Instagram collabs and tag your co-creators in your post. Let's get started. Open up your Instagram application. From here, what you do is add a new story or post. To add a new post, you can find it on the top left corner, the plus icon. Tap on it. Now I'll just go ahead and tap on this random picture to post. Once you have done that, you can swipe up to edit, just like so. It's selected on a reel, so let me just quickly do a post. Once you've selected your post, you can just tap on next at the top right. And again, you can just tap on next down below. From here, you'll be taken to another page. Now you can tag people and add collaborators here. So to tag people, just tap on tag people here. Tap on anywhere of the picture to invite or tag co-creators. So let me just quickly tap here and then tag this person. And to invite collaborators, to tap on invite collaborators, their name will also be shown on the post if they accept your invitation. So I'll just tap on this and then tap on done at the top right. And to actually schedule this, you can tap on more option at the bottom, then tap on schedule post. You first need to make sure that the invitation has been accepted as the collaborator, and then you can just tap on the schedule post option. And once you tap on it, you should be able to schedule post just like this. Select your time, tap on done, and you're good to go. Now just go back, tap on schedule down below. You're going to be good to go. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.